bed, bed, bed. You say it. That's correct, bed. One more time. Bed. A bed is a piece of furniture that people sleep on. The bed is in the bedroom by the window. The bed has a red quilt on top. The girl sleeps in her bed. Bed. Say it again. That's correct. Bed. Bedroom. 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 You say it. That's correct. Bedroom. Let's say it again. Bedroom. Yes, bedroom. A bedroom is a room used for sleeping. The bedroom is empty. She has gone to bed in her bedroom. Bedroom. Say it one more time. That's right, bedroom. Before. 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 Now you say it. Before. One more time. Before. Before means sooner or earlier than. 5 o'clock is before 6 o'clock. Mary arrived before John. Before. Say it one more time. Before. Correct. Begin. 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 You say it. Well done. Let's try it again. Begin. One more time. Begin. Begin means to start. The runners are ready to begin the race. You might begin school at age 5. It is time to begin to make dinner. Begin. Let's say it again. Begin. Well done. Behind. 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 Now you say it. That's correct. Behind. Let's repeat. Behind. One more time. Behind. Behind means at the back of. The tree is behind the house. The boy is behind the tree. Believe. 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 Now you say it. Believe. Say it again. Believe. One more time. That's right. Believe. Believe means to feel sure that something is true. I believe that the sun will rise tomorrow. I believe my father will be here on time. Believe. Now you say it. Correct. Believe. Belong. 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 You say it. Well done. Let's say it again. That's correct. Belong. One more time. Belong. Yes, belong. Belong means to own something. The book belongs to me. The house belongs to John. Belong. Below. 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 Now you say it. That's correct. Below. Let's say it again. Below. One more time. Below. Well done. Below means lower than, beneath. The floor is below the ceiling. My feet are below my shoulders. below. Say it one more time. Below. Beside. 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 You say it. Well done. Say it again. Beside. One more time. That's right. Beside. Beside means next to. Walk beside me. The father is beside the mother. Beside. Best. 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 Now you say it. Repeat again. Best. Well done. Best. Correct. Best means better than anything or anyone else. This is the best flavor of ice cream. She won the race. She was the best runner. Best. Best. Say it again. Well done. Better. 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 You say it. Yes, better. One more time. Better. 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 That's correct. Better. Say it one more time. Better. Well done. Better means more good than. It's a comparison of one thing to another. Riding in the car is better than riding a bicycle. I like this flavor of ice cream better than that other flavor of ice cream. Better. Say it one more time. Better.